In this class you are going to learn about exercise 5.3, okay, area of combination of plane figures. This is of lesson from area related to circles. Okay, unless stated otherwise, use the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. Okay, here we have first question, find the area of shaded region. Okay, find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. If PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, okay, and PR is equal to 7 centimeter, okay, and O is the center of the circle, then if O is the center of the circle, then ROQ is an diameter, right? Diameter of a circle. Let us see now. Solution we have, see, in figure it can be observed that RQ is an diameter or ROQ is diameter. In figure it can be observed that RQ is the diameter. RQ is the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Therefore, see, if ROQ is the diameter of the circle, means it will be divided into two equal parts. Then each part is a semicircle. Is it? In a semicircles, all angles are right angles. So therefore, angle RPQ, which is equal to, we can take it as 90 degree. What I told, in a semicircle, angles are right angles. Right angles which is equal to 90 degree. Right? RQ is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, angle RPQ or QPR, angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree, right? See, we can use the Pythagoras rule now, because they have given here value of PQ and RP. Then we need to find out here RQ. RQ is an hypotenuse in a right angle, right? By using or by applying, okay, by using Pythagoras rule. Pythagoras rule. In triangle QPR or RPQ, in triangle RPQ, QR square is equal to QP square plus RP square. Okay, QR square is equal to QP square is 24 square plus RP is equal to 7 square, right? QR square is equal to 24 square, which is equal to, we will get a 24 square, that is 516. Let us see. Okay, 24 square is equal to 576 plus 7 square is equal to 49. Okay, therefore QR square is equal to, this is a 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. Therefore, QR square is equal to 625. It is the square number of 25, right? 25. 2 square will get cancelled. Therefore, QR is equal to 25. Therefore, QR is equal to 25 centimeter. QR is equal to 25 centimeter. The radius of this circle. See here, RQ is equal to 25 means, therefore here OQ is an radius and OR is an radius, right? Therefore OQ is equal to OR is equal to, we can take it as half of the diameter, right? Therefore radius of circle, radius is equal to half of diameter, half into D, which is equal to half into diameter is, that is QR, right, is equal to half into QR, that is 25. Therefore 25 divided by 2 centimeter is an radius of a circle. Since RQ is the diameter of the circles, it divides the circle into how many parts? 2 equal parts, right? Therefore now we can apply here area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle. One step I will write here. Since RQ is the diameter of a circle. Okay, it divides the circle in two equal parts. Okay, each part is a semicircle. Therefore, now see here, because we need to find out here, find the area of the shaded region. Which is the shaded region? R, P, Q, O, R is an shaded region. Sorry, here only shaded region is P and Q, right? Therefore, we need to find out here shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region, which is equal to area of semicircle. Which is semicircle? R, P, Q, O, R. Semicircle minus area of triangle Q, P, R, or R, P, Q. Okay, let us see now. Area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to, we need to find formula, is it? See, area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Area of semicircle, which is equal to half into pi r square, right? Half into pi r square, which is equal to half into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2 whole square, right? Okay, let us see now. Which is equal to half into, that is 22 divided by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. Therefore, 25 into 25, that is 625. 625 into 11, which is equal to, we can write it 6875, right? 6875 divided by 7 2 is 14, 14 2 is 28. This is a square centimeter. Now, area of triangle RPQ. Okay, area of triangle RPQ is equal to half into base into height, that is half into base is 7 centimeter and height is QP, that is 24. Okay, that is 24. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. Therefore, here 12 sevens are 84 square centimeter. Area of triangle is completed. Okay, now finally area of shaded region we need to find out here. Area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle, area of semicircle minus, that is area of semicircle, which one? That is RPOQR. RPOQR minus area of triangle RPQ. Therefore, area of semicircle, that is area of semicircle is equal to how much we get? 6875. 6875 divided by 28 minus area of triangle RPQ, that is 84 square centimeter. Okay, 84 square centimeter, which is equal to, okay, here 28 is LCM. Okay, 6875 right as it is minus 28 into 84, which is equal to 2352. 2352. Therefore, after subtracting 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3, and 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2, and 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5, and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 5 2 3 divided by 28 square centimeter, and this is right answer. Okay, let us discuss about second question. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if radii of the two concentric circles, right? The concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively, and angle AOC, which is equal to, here angle they are given 40 degree, right? Simply here find the shaded region, right? See, area of shaded region, that is area of the shaded region, which is equal to area of the sector OAFC. We have taken here, we have mentioned here point E and F, okay, on two sectors. So O is sector, area of a sector OAFC minus area of a sector OBED. If we did subtraction, we will get here area of the shaded region, right? Okay. See, solution we have radius of the circle is equal to, see, circles which is having the same centers, okay, which is having the same centers of many circles, that is concentric. Okay, solution we have radius of inner circle, right? Radius of inner circle is equal to how much centimeter they have given here? 7 centimeter. Okay, inner circle is smaller than the outer circle. Okay, radius of inner circle, radius of outer circle, radius of outer circle is equal to, we will take here 14 centimeter they have given, right? Therefore we need to find out the area of the shaded region. Therefore area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of a sector, area of sector OAFC, OAFC minus area of a sector OBED, area of a sector OBED, right? See here they have given angle, right? The angle given, angle AOC is equal to 40 degree, that is theta, right? Okay, which is equal to area of a sector OAFC, that is I will take here area of a sector theta divided by 360 degree into pi r1 square. I will take here pi r square minus, and here also theta divided by 360 degree into, this is also pi r square. Okay, here I will take R1 is outer circle and R2 is inner circle, right? Therefore R1, this is R1 square, this is R2 square I will take, okay, which is equal to, therefore angle is both having the same, okay, for both sectors having the same angle, that is theta is equal to 40 degree divided by 360 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to how much centimeter for outer circle, that is 14 centimeter, 14 into 14 minus theta is equal to 40 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into inner radius is equal to 7 into 7. Okay, therefore 0 0 will get cancelled, 4 1 ja 4 9 ja 36, okay, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. Here also same, 4 1 ja 4, 0 0 cancelled, 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36, and 7 1 ja 7 1 ja will get cancelled, right? Therefore here 22 2 ja 44 into 14, which is equal to, we will get here 616, 616 divided by 9, okay, minus here also 22 into 7, which is equal to 154, 7 to 14, 7 to 14 plus 15, okay, 154 divided by 9, okay, right, which is equal to, here LCM is same 9, okay, 616 minus 154 is equal to, we will get here 6 minus 4, that is 2, right? We will get here 462, 6 minus 4 2, and 11 minus 5, which is equal to 6, and remaining is 1, therefore 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 462 divided by 9, okay, therefore after cancelling 3 3s are 9, okay, and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, which is equal to, that is 154 divided by 3 square centimeter. This is the right answer.